Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix crashing the first Descendant. So in order to fix it, the first thing that you can do is you can simply rebuild a database. So rebuilding the database on your PS4 can help resolve crashing issues by organizing your files and freeing up some space. So in order to do it, you first need to turn off your PS4 completely. Do not enter rest mode. Then you need to press and hold the power button, release it after you hear the second beep. Once one beep when you initially press and another about 7 seconds later. Then you need to connect your DualShock 4 controller with a USB cable to the PS4. Then you need to press the PS button on the controller to pair it. From the Safe Mode menu. Choose option 5, which is Rebuild Database. Wait for the process to complete. Your PS4 will restart and the database will be rebuilt. In the second method, you can simply check for the corrupted data. For that, you need to go to the settings on your PS4, then navigate to storage and select system storage option. Then you need to select saved data and then choose the game. Look for any saved data with yellow triangle icon indicating corruption. If you find any, then detect the corrupted data by pressing the options button and selecting delete. By rebuilding the database and checking for the corrupted data, you might resolve the crashing issues with the first Descendant on your PS5 or your PS4. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.